Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 7, Directing. In this video, we are learning about elements of direction. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you are still not subscribed, consider it. We have a Facebook page, go and check out the links are given below. Okay, let's jump into elements of direction. Usually, directing includes guiding, coaching, instructing, motivating, and overall leading the people in the organization. Based on that, directing is broadly grouped into 4 categories. They are supervision, motivation, leadership, communication. These are called elements in directing. So let's start with the first one, supervision. Supervision means it's a process of directing a person or a group of people. For example, teacher making sure that students are participating in a class. This is supervision. Usually, supervision can be understood in 2 ways. Firstly, it can be an element of directing, and secondly, as a function performed by supervisors in organization hierarchy. When we consider supervision as an element of directing, every manager in the organization supervises subordinates. In this case, supervision can be understood as a process of guiding the efforts of employees and other resources to achieve organization goal. It means overseeing what is being done by subordinates and giving instruction to ensure optimum utilization of resource. Secondly, when we consider supervision as a function to be performed, a managerial position in the organizational hierarchy at a lower level that is immediate above to the worker. And the main important here is the function performed by the supervisor. It is important because he is directly related with the workers, whereas other managers have no direct touch with the bottom line workers. Basically, it's an overseeing of employees whether they are doing, that is called supervision. Moving on to next element, motivation. Motivation means encouragement to act or to move. In organization view, it means the process of making subordinates to achieve certain organization goal. While discussing motivation, we need to understand 3 interrelated terms. They are motive, motivation, and motivators. Let us understand these terms. Starting with a motive is an inner feeling that boosts activities and direct behavior towards goals. Usually, motive is not same to all. It is depend upon the needs of individual. Realization of motive cause worries in individual, which promotes such action to reduce such worries. For example, the need of food cause hunger. For that, man search for food. There are many like this. Some are like hunger, thirsty, security, relationship, need for comfort, recognition. There are many. Next term, motivation. Motivation is a process of inspiring people to action to achieve desired goal. Motivation depends on satisfying needs of people. Next term, motivators. Motivators is the technique that is used to motivate people in organization. Managers use various motivations like pay, bonus, promotion, recognition, responsibility, and more to influence people to contribute their best. Moving on to definition of motivation. Motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to achieve desired goals. It is given by William G. Scout. Moving on to the next element, leadership. Whenever we heard success stories of any organization, the first thing that comes to our mind is the leaders. Can we imagine Microsoft without Bill Gates, Reliance Industry without Ambani's, Infosys without Narayan Murthy, Wipro without Premji? From these successful people, you'd say it is not possible to achieve success without these great leaders. That's why the leader always play key role in success and excellence of any organization. Let us understand the concept of leadership. Leadership is a process of influencing the people by making them try to voluntarily towards the achievement of organization goals. Leadership indicates the ability of an individual to maintain a good interpersonal relationship with followers and motivate them to contribute to achieve organization objective. Definition of leadership. Leadership is an art or a process of influencing people so that they will strive willingly and enthusiastically towards achievement of group goals. Strive means making effort to achieve something. This definition is given by Harold Kuntz and Heinz Weyrich. Moving on to next element, communication. Communication play a key role in success of manager. How much professional knowledge and intelligence a manager owns becomes waste, and if he is not able to communicate effectively with his subordinates and create understanding in them. Directing the ability of manager mainly depends upon his communication skill. That's why organization always focus on improving communication skill of manager as well as employees. Communication is defined in different ways. Generally, it is understood a process of exchanging of ideas, views, fact, feeling among people to create a common understanding. This is nothing but communication. We have a definition for communication. Communication is transfer of information from sender to receiver with the information being understood by the receiver. This is said by Harold Kuntz and Heinz Weyrich. These are the elements of direction. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. Click here to watch next series. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next series. Bye.